Have you ever wondered what the difference is between an income fund and an accumulation fund? So first of all, most funds that you buy are going to pay a certain amount back to you in the form as a reward or a dividend. And the reason that they do that is because actually most funds hold dividend paying businesses within them. So that dividend needs to be paid back to you. So an income versus an accumulation fund is simply the different ways in terms of that dividend is paid back to you. So income funds basically pay any of those dividends directly straight back to you. So that can either be into your bank account that you've nominated, or it can be back into your account balance within whichever broker it is that you're using. So in essence, that then becomes an additional income to you. Whereas accumulation funds are designed to generate growth rather than incomes. They are designed to accumulate, hence the name. Dividends and profits are automatically reinvested straight back into that fund without you having to do a single thing, and it is the best way to grow, to accumulate that fund in the long run. So which should you hold? So whilst you are in your wealth generation mode, whilst you are trying to grow your pot as big as possible, whilst you are trying to create an amount of money that you can retire on eventually, or get financially independent, or pay for a car, whatever it is you're trying to do, your best bet is to have accumulation funds. The simple reason for that is because those dividends that are paid, there's no temptation for you to spend it. It is reinvested completely free of charge. It happens automatically without you even thinking about it, and it happens instantly. And in time, those reinvested dividends will create their own dividends, and it will snowball from there, and you'll be the next Buffett. Or maybe not. If, however, you've reached a point in your life where you have created the pot, it's big enough, and you want to start retiring now, you want to start spending some of that cash, or you have reached financial independence, or you want to buy that car or house, or whatever it is that you've been investing to do, it is time to have an income fund. These funds will then distribute that cash to you however you've nominated it, either into your balance or into your bank, just like a salary. Now, one thing to bear in mind is that you can't transfer from an accumulation fund into an income fund. What you need to do is you need to build that pot over however many years it is, and then you need to, at the point that you're ready to start taking the income, you need to sell the accumulation fund, and then you need to rebuy the equivalent, an equivalent, or another income fund in order to be able to generate that cash to be flowing into you. It's a bit of a pain, but really it's the only piece of administration that you need to do over a 30-year investment career, so it's not that bad. Right, if these short explanations are of any use, please let me know and I can do a load of them. Also, if there's anything that you want me to do specifically, please let me know as well and I'll cover that. If you've ever wondered what is the cheapest way of owning an all-world fund within Hargreaves Lansdown, then this is the video for you. By the way, I don't even know who these guys are. I've never seen them before in my life. And look at this one. Did you spot that? Hasn't even got a picture in it.